Welcome back to another video. In this one, we're going to be fitting the roof light vent to the van. But first, we had a bit of work to do on the floor, ready for the plywood to go in. First of all, we give the van a good clean out, and then there was a few tie downs that just protruded up above the floor line. So they got angle grinded off and we removed them. Then after that, we use some Cure Rust just to treat any little rust patches to make sure that no rust occurs in future. Once that was done, we went round using some flexible waterproof sealant and we sealed up all the old holes from the plywood that was originally attached through the van floor. Then we taped over that, mainly just to stop us standing in it. Once that was done, we finished off the sound deadening by sound deadening in between the ribs of the van floor. Once that was done, we were ready to measure up and cut out the hole for the roof light. I originally tried this from inside, but as you can see, it was a bit sketchy, so I decided to go up on the roof and finish cutting it out. The design of this part of the roof meant that the roof light was actually only making contact with 4 small parts of the roof. So what I did is I found some offcuts of PVC trim that I had left over from another project, and I just stuck these down and I used the waterproof flexible adhesive to stick these to the roof and then the roof light onto these. Then sealed up all the edges using silicone and finished that off with a silicone edging tool. Then once that was done, we were all finished and ready to fit the back windows in the next video.